How's it going, and welcome. So today we're going to be making one of these. It's a plyo box used in CrossFit, other exercises. You can jump on top of it, do step-ups, whatever you feel like doing. Being here at the house, quarantined, my mom wanted to have one of these so that she could do her CrossFit via the online Zoom meetings. So go ahead and make her one of these. This one here, we got a 12-inch side, 16-inch side, and then a 14-inch side. So depending on how high she would like to jump, she wanted a 12-inch for sure, and I gave her a 12, a 14, and a 16. And that's what we're putting together today. Just a nice 30 box that can be jumped on top of. Welcome to the Man Card. Follow along, and we'll go from there. So we're going to start by cutting some boards to shape. We're going to make 6 boards, different sizes. Obviously we got a basically a rectangular box that we're creating. To do this project, our plyo box, we're going to be using 2 14 by 16 inches, 2 12 by 16s, and 2 12 by 14s, so that we can get 3 different heights that you can jump up onto. I'll just start by cutting these boards out and get to it. So we've got our 6 boards cut, all 6 sides of our box that we're going to be making. For this though, we want to make it so that no matter how you jump on the box, you have stability on all 6 sides. So that if you jump on it, say the 12-inch side, you can do that, 14-inch side, 16-inch side, however you want to make it work. My mom wants to use this for her CrossFit cardio workout since we're all in quarantine right now. And what I'm going to do is divide these into thirds. I'm going to leave one little cutout notch out so that we can dado these in, and each piece will fit in kind of like a puzzle piece. That way we have the maximum amount of strength no matter what side this is on.